To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline that I'd like to add a border around. Let's begin by going over to the Effects panel and type Grid into the search box. Then drag the grid effect onto your video clip on the timeline. Now go over to your grid effect in Effect Controls, and in here, change both of the anchor values to 0. Then click on the size from drop-down and select Width and Height sliders. Next, you'll need to change the width and height to your videos. A resolution mine's 1920 by 1080, so I'll set the width in 1920 and the height to 1080. Okay, they're added a really thin border, but before we change how it looks, let's change the blending mode to normal so we can see our video. Then simply change the border's value to increase the border size. I'll set mine to 50. You can also change the border's color or opacity, but I already like how mine looks, so I'll leave that alone. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.